Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Our group will present about file compression tool. File compression tool. What is it? File compression tool are a type of utility software. Utility software or system utilities is a type of system software that help in proper and smooth functioning of a computer system. File compression tool assists the operating system to manage, organize, maintain, and optimize functioning of a computer system.
Moving on to the next part, which is what does file compression tools do? So file compression tools reduce the size of files by encoding information more efficiently. They use algorithms to shrink data, make it easier to store, transfer, and save bandwidth. When you compress a file, it creates a smaller version that can be decompressed to its original form when are needed.
Why is the file compression tool is often used in our daily life? It is because it can cost reduction in storage hardware. So for example, you can store far more in the same space, and this was especially useful when we have to use this far before DVD or CD. And the next one is for better productivity, which are able to transmit document faster. The file compression is essential for optimal efficiency. Being able to transmit the document faster and more easily to save the time so that you will not constantly hitting pause on your work to wait for the file to upload or download. The next one is the conservation of bandwidth. The compressed data require fewer network resource, resulting in significant bandwidth saving. This advantage is particularly crucial in wireless network, where bandwidth is often limited. The last one is the email and web page accessibility. It is easier to compress larger files when uploading them to a web page or sending them via email. Also, as previously mentioned, the most common email system restrict the size of attachment. So the compression offers a way to send multiple files collectively instead of one by one. So overall, the file compression is a data compression method in which the logical size of a file is reduced to save disk space for easier and also enable the transmission over a network or the internet. This is why we use it, since it is so important to help us reduce the space consumption.
File compression tools should be used in various scenarios to achieve specific benefits. Here are some situations where using a file compression tool is particularly advantageous. The first one is reducing the file size. If you need to conserve storage space on your disk or reduce the amount of data you need to transfer over a network, compression tools can be invaluable. Next, which is file transfer. When transferring files over the internet or network, compressing them can be significantly speed up the process. So the smaller the file size means quicker upload or download times. Next is archiving files. By compressing multiple files into a single archive file, you not only reduce the overall size but also simplify the process of managing and organizing related files. The fourth one is when you need to back up something. When creating backups of your data, compression can be beneficial in terms of saving storage space. It allows you to create compact backup files without sacrificing the integrity of your data. And the last one is email attachments. Many email systems have limitations on the size of attachment. So if you need to send large files via email, compressing them into a smaller archive makes it easier to stay within attachment size limits. Thank you.
Next part, I want to show you a few example of the file compression tools. This is what I got in the Google. Alright guys, that's all from us. Thank you for listening and for your attention.